Hi everyone, Zach here, and welcome to the overview of this new tutorial series, an introduction to Unreal Engine. In this series, we'll create a platformer game from start to finish, including installing Unreal Engine all the way to creating an executable file for our game. This series will cover from start to finish making a game, including installing Epic Launcher and Unreal Engine, and setting up our source control, creating our levels and a menu, creating a credit scene, switching between these, creating an autosave and loading feature, and finally, building an executable file that we can pass to other people so they can play our game. This series will be split into two versions. The first version will have 11 videos covering the creation of a game using blueprints. A second version, which will release shortly after the first, will recreate the game but using C++. Each video will go over the logic where applicable, and in addition to this, I will create other videos that will unpack content that people might have found challenging based on feedback from viewers like you. This series is for people who are either new to UE4 and/or game design or to programming. Though it should be said, if you're new to UE4 but not to programming, some of the content here may be a bit of a recap of previously acquired knowledge. This series will be split up into 4 sections. The first section will be the first 3 videos in which we'll set up our project. The second section of the series will be the following 4 videos in which we set up our platformer game and create the content needed to do so. The following section will cover the sundries around the game, including a menu, an auto-saving system, a loading system, and endgame credits. And the final section will be one video in which we set up an executable file. That said, I hope to see you in this series, and I hope that you can take something from it. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. And as always, I hope that you have a wonderful day.